So you think you're too young or you don't even own enough things to need a will in Israel? Here's why procrastinating could cost your loved ones dearly. Hi, my name is Jay Height, and after having helped hundreds of families to navigate Israel's inheritance laws, I can tell you that having a will isn't just for the elderly or for the wealthy. It's essential protection for everybody starting today. You see, in Israel, dying without a valid will triggers the Succession Law of 1965, which can distribute your assets very differently than the way you would choose to. For example, your spouse is only going to receive your vehicle and half of your shared property, with children dividing the rest of it equally, regardless of their needs or of your relationship with them. So let's say you own a house. Right now, you own the house 50%, your spouse owns it 50%. Boom, you die without a will. Your spouse owns 75% of the house, and your children, in equal parts, own 25% of the house. Well, what happens if one of them has an issue with your spouse? Well, you have a real problem because they can sue to have the house sold or to make your spouse pay them for it. Not likely to happen, but it's happened. A properly executed will in Israel gives you control over how your assets are going to be distributed. It allows you to designate guardians for minor children, and it can include for specific provisions for pets, for digital assets, and for sentimental items. It can also help to minimize family conflicts during an already difficult time when one of the parents passes away. Israeli law recognizes several types of wills: handwritten wills, witness wills, which are signed before two witnesses, wills prepared before legal authority like a judge, and in life-threatening situations, even oral wills when two witnesses are present. However, a will prepared with legal counsel and properly witnessed gives you the strongest protection. Without a will in Israel, your assets can be distributed according to a rigid formula that don't account for your unique family situation, potentially causing financial hardship and relationship strain amongst surviving family members. Call my office, schedule a call with me or one of my attorneys, and talk about your situation, how a will can help, and see if now's the right time for you to make your will. And let me tell you, if you haven't yet, it should be. My name is Jay Height. My phone number and our office website address appears on the screen in front of you.